Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how to mute sounds in Klondike Adventure. If you want to play Klondike Adventure without the sound effect, since you found it to be a bit too loud or distracting, here is how you can do it. The first thing you can do is to simply lower down the volume of your device and play the game. But if you don't want to do that and you want a solution within the game, then the next thing you can do is to open up the Klondike Adventure game, and from the home page, go to the right hand corner and tap on the gear button. Now this will open up settings. From the settings, look for this sound icon and the music note icon. Tap on both of them in order to turn off the sound completely. After you do that, you'll be able to play the game in silence. Now your game will be silent or just at volume you prefer, making it easier to focus on building your farm, exploring the wilderness, or complete quests, even if you are somewhere where you want to play the game quietly. So that's it. You can always turn off the option by getting to this same page and tapping on the music note or the speaker icon. So there you have it. From there, you will be able to adjust the sound in the game for Klondike Adventure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.